Well, I'm a fourth generation Knoxvillian. So I was born and raised in East Tennessee. And there's no better place to live and raise a family.
I've been very fortunate to grow up here. It's beautiful.
It's one of the best places to live in the whole world. It's still relatively undiscovered in lots of people's minds. But for those of us who have been in East Tennessee for generations, we understand all the benefits and the blessings that we have here in East Tennessee.
Well, Eastern Tennessee is known for obviously the Great Smoky Mountains. Because we sit at the foothills, and that's something that we here at WindRiver have, is that rolling topography before you get out to the lake. And then it just opens up with the rolling hills down to the water.
Well, 700 acres, 5 miles of shoreline on beautiful Tellico Lake.
It's pristine water. Stream fed right out of the Great Smoky Mountain National Park. 16,000 acres. Great for boating.
We have 26 miles of hiking trails. We've built a marina, world-class facilities such as our sports complex where the pool and the tennis courts are, golf course.
It's a very wide open, challenging golf course, a lot of undulation. It's a very long golf course if you want it to be. We have 6 sets of tee boxes to choose from, so you can have it as hard or as easy as you would like. The fun part about it is the greens are very large, so we can move the pins in different locations, and it's like you're playing a new golf course each day.
We're trying to develop a community that over the next 20 years that'll be a place that we can all be proud of to be a part of. The folks that have already bought here and built homes here and started to live here are awesome, and they're from all over the United States.
Our homeowners are warm, people in Knoxville area are warm. It really brings out a sense of community, which is what I've always enjoyed about being here. It's a legacy project. You know, it's not something that we're in and we're out and moving on to the next project. We're here to stay. We want to be here for a very long time.
WindRiver's a family-owned business. We spend 7 days a week out here. We plan for it to be a part of our life for many, many years to come.
Growing up in Eastern Tennessee, living in several different counties in Eastern Tennessee, you're not going to find a better piece of property. It has better views than what we have around here. From the lakes to the mountains, the Cumberlands to the Smokies. It really is a spectacular spot.